In a world where first impressions matter, the way you dress can speak volumes before you even say a word. Welcome to Evaluate Your Style, unlocking the power of a sharp outfit.
It's been a long time since a nigga been locked up, and I ain't going back. I put that on my dick and nuts. Don't get it twisted, I'm always gonna be ratchet. I always got my whistle, I'm never out here lacking.
What up, it's me, Prez, and welcome back to another episode of Improving Masculinity. Today we're diving into why mastering your wardrobe is a game changer for every man out there. Whether you're a teenager trying to find your path or a young man seeking to build confidence, the way you dress can be a powerful tool. Dressing well isn't just about fashion, it's about self-respect and the message you send to the world. When you put effort into your appearance, you tell others that you value yourself and your goals. It's about showing up as the best version of yourself, ready to take on any challenge. Think about it. When you walk into a room looking sharp, people notice. It can open up doors to new opportunities, whether it's landing that dream job, making a great first impression, or simply feeling unstoppable in your everyday life. But remember, it's not about wearing the most expensive clothes. It's about finding what fits you well and makes you feel confident. A sharp outfit can be as simple as a well-fitted shirt and a nice pair of shoes. It's about the details, son, and the effort that you put in your appearance. For those who may not have a male guidance growing up or just a mom looking to teach her son about masculinity, this is a crucial lesson. Teaching young men to dress well is about instilling confidence, discipline, and a sense of pride in who they are. So take that step. Evaluate your style and unlock the power of a sharp outfit. You'll be amazed at how much it can transform your life. So stay tuned for more tips and inspiration on improving your masculinity. And remember, confidence starts with you. So I thank you for watching. And if you wouldn't mind pushing like, commenting, or subscribing to this channel. And if you also want to support, you can always hit the Cash App that's on the bottom of the screen. Say, hey, Prez, you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work. And until next time, y'all have a great day. Ha!